we're going to record some notes about the difference between speed and average speed. So these notes are going on page 33 in your notebook. When you think of speed, some car that has a certain speed, or you think of the speedometer on a car, some things that come to mind, like if I ask you for an example, you'd say 45 miles per hour. So speed is the distance an object travels in a given amount of time. And the two things we need to know here are distance and time. So turning this into a math problem or a math formula, speed equals distance over time, or distance divided by time. We can also write it as speed equals distance over time, like that. And then other examples besides the 45 miles per hour is 15 meters per second, which means 15 meters per second. So something travels a distance of 15 meters in 1 second. If we move on and we look at not just speed, this formula here, this is for the instantaneous speed. So the speed limit in your car, the speedometer in your car, tells you exactly what speed that car is going at that second, or at that minute, or whatever we're looking at, that unit of time. Usually, we are looking at the speed at that instantaneous second. But sometimes we have to find the average speed. And so for average speed, the average speed equals the total distance divided by the total time. And then here is an example. Let's say that somebody runs a distance of 6 miles and it takes them an hour to do that. And then they decide to run for another hour and they run an additional 2 miles in that second hour. So in order to find the average speed, we do the total distance, 6 plus 2, and we divide that by the total time, 1 plus 1, which is 6 plus 2 is 8, divided by 1 plus 1 is 2, or 8 divided by 2 is 4 miles per hour. Or 4 mph. Oh, we also write it as 4 mi slash h or hr. That's how we would write miles per hour. Usually we're used to mph like this. We can very commonly find it as this or those. So average speed and instantaneous speed.